Yo, what to do, everybody? This your boy Titus coming at you again with some more Pick3 lottery tips. All right, man. Thank you guys for following my channel. Again, I want to tell y'all I am so humbled to know that you guys are following me, that you guys found my channel. Yo, remember, this the Pick3 Lottery Guy channel. And on the Pick3 Lottery Guy channel, we about helping you hit the lottery. All right? That's what we about. That's what I'm about, man. I'm about teaching or showing, or demonstrating strategies that you can use to hit the Pick3 lottery. All right. Now, going into August, I'm going to start back putting up strategies for Pick4. All right. Now, Pick4 is going to kind of be broad, but I'm going to start putting up some strategies for that as well. And I'm going to try to also do a little bit of Pick2 because I think people like it. And I'm going to continue to let you know about my Pick4 because, hey, people like my Pick4 videos, so I might as well give the people what they want. All right? Now, remember, like I always start all my videos by saying, playing the lottery just for fun, baby. I can't come up here and say that you're going to be getting rich off playing the lottery. But what I can tell you is that by implementing certain strategies, you're going to increase your odds of hitting the lottery. All right? And some of you guys have the capability of potentially making a substantial amount of money. But I cannot say that as a influencer or a creator here on YouTube. All right? But I'm here to give you the tools you need to help you be more successful. All right? That being said, remember, these morning videos, I come up here and I give you some tips, some strategies, and then I give you some numbers that I think going to hit across the country and in Pacific states for today. All right? It's the last day of July. All right? So that means starting tomorrow, we're going to have 2 additional new states on the board. All right? So, hey, make sure that you save, you subscribe, and you push this video out to your friends so your friends can also get in and tell me where they're from. Because I always try to hit the most people that are hitting or watching the videos. All right? I'll be trying to do states that I can hit the biggest audience at, or the people who I know are paying attention and truly trying to learn how to play this lottery game. All right? So go in the comments. Tell me what state you from. Tell me where you, what you need to know, what's giving you problems, what's giving you headaches. All right? That's the kind of thing I like. All right? I also want to congratulate the young lady or the follower, or subscriber who used the techniques and got that hit yesterday. Congratulations. I know it feels good to get that hit. I know it feels good to get that money. Make sure that you spend it on something great and treat yourself. All right. Now, today, I'm going to show y'all something. I keep telling y'all the same things, man. These things holding true in most states. Yo, let's jump into it. All right. In the state of Georgia on 7/29 had a hit of 859. All right. Had a hit of 859 on 7/29. I dropped that into my 1, 2, 3 workout or rundown, however you want to call it. All right. I dropped that in. Remember, you line it up. All right. You say your 1 and your 8 is a 9. Your 1 and your 9, a 0. 1 and a 0, a 1 until that 8 repeats itself. And you do that through all 3 columns. All right. This is going to give you what I continually tell you guys. I continually say this in every video. This becomes your base set of numbers. If you're home and you watching it with me, say it. My base set of numbers. Guys, I'm not going to say every state. In the majority of the United States of America, just playing your base set of numbers. Either your next draw or the corresponding draw on the next day. most months are going to get you at least some type of hit, right? At least some type of hit. It's not going to give you 5 or 6 hits a month, but it's going to give you at least a hit every month. This is really for my people who don't ever get hits. I know people who don't never get hits, guys. The people who don't never get hits. So if you are a veteran and you getting 5 or 6 hits a month, that tip really ain't for you because your strategy already working. But for people who don't ever get hits, guys, just be consistent. All right, just be consistent. All right, now once you get this, right, this is when paying attention to your workout and understanding your strategy pays off. All right. So, like I always tell you guys, find your double in your mirror number. All right, your ones right here. That becomes your double. Right? Your 8 and your 3. 8 and 3. Right? That is your mirror. Hope y'all can see that. Now, this whole thing is considered what they call a key box. Right? The whole thing right here is considered a key box. Y'all, wins come off of these key boxes, okay? Wins come off of those key boxes. And now, you also going to have one that comes down, and I'm going to let the 8 and the 3s stay blue. Right? And then your 1s and your 6s stay red. That's your second one. Right? You're going to usually have 2. I haven't really seen it with just 1. Right? That becomes your key box. Hope y'all learning this. All right? Now, guys, remember, that becomes your key box. All right? Now we're looking for repeat numbers. Repeat numbers. 5, 9, 0, 0, 9, 5. Right? 0, 9, 5. That's one repeat number. Now we're looking for our next one. That automatically tells us that we have additional repeat numbers. The minute you see that, you say, okay, I got repeat numbers in my workout. Titus tells me I need to pay attention to my repeat numbers in my workout. All right? And so now you go out and you find your other repeat numbers. All right? Now, luckily, your other repeat number comes through your key box. 833, 338. All right? And then that's going to tell me that my other repeat number after that is going to be this 257. 833, 257. Now, guys, you can start building your numbers just like that. Now, something I like, whenever I see those triples, I like to play discrete numbers that connect to the triple. You know what I'm saying? Especially at the top. All right? So, you also would have had 118 if you're playing the numbers that connect to my triple. All right? If you're playing my numbers that connect to my triple. So you got your 118, your 231, your 354. So that would have gave you at least, what, 6 numbers. In most places, that's either $6 or that's $3. All right? The hit yesterday in Georgia, last night, state of Georgia, 231, straight, just like that. So even if you would have played your key boxes, played it off of your triple, off of your key box, off of your base numbers, you could have got that hit last night in Georgia if you just played the base numbers. All right, just play the base numbers. And that's what I be trying to get y'all to understand. Sometimes you just got to keep your strategy. Even if you would have played the base numbers, you could have got that hit. All right, and that was in the state of Georgia, all right, on the 30th, last night. All right, I just want to come up here and show y'all that. I know I've been showing y'all this all week, but man, hey, guys, now I put the mirrors and the flips up here so you know, all right? So if you need to do a screenshot of that, go ahead, because I'm about to give you the numbers for the last day in July, all right? All right, let's jump into the numbers, y'all. Let me erase these. All right. Let me erase these numbers, this information. All right. All right, guys. So, last month, Florida, last day of the month, I like 583, 581, 001, 119, and 614. Georgia, I like 684, 189, 207, 572, and 298. Hot numbers last day of the month are still 277, 108, 213, 122, 159. See there, Georgia? You had a hot number hit yesterday. South Carolina, 916, 191, 678, 295, 137. Cash pop number, if your state have it. If your state have it, I like 1, 4, 7, and 11. All right, guys. These are the numbers that I came up with today. All right. By no means I'm saying these numbers are gonna hit today, but if these numbers hit today, let everybody know who helped you get that hit, baby. The Pick3 lottery guy. All right. And hey, man, y'all have a fantastic last day of the month, and I'll see y'all later. All right.